We'll guide you through how to use 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 and Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to create creative photo manipulations, pose adjustments, or fun visual effects without using expensive software like Adobe Photoshop. Get started by opening Photopea in your browser. Photopea is a website that can be accessed from both a computer and a smartphone, making it convenient for editing anywhere. On your computer desktop, right-click on the Google Chrome shortcut and click Open to launch the browser. When Google Chrome opens, the screen will display the normal browser homepage. Look at the top of the screen, click on the address bar, and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the website. On the search results page, select the top option, 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘.com, and you will be directed to the Photopea homepage. Before starting the editing process, prepare the photo you want to edit. On the homepage, click the Open from Computer option, browse to the location where the cloud's image is saved, select the image, and click Open. Once the editing page and image appear, press Ctrl and 0 on your keyboard to fit and highlight the canvas properly. Duplicate the photo layer from the Layers panel by right-clicking the layer and choosing Duplicate Layer. Hide the main layer afterward. Press W on your keyboard and use the Select Subject feature. Then wait for the selection process to complete. When the selection is finished, press Ctrl and X, followed by Ctrl and V. Hide the top layer and select Layer 1. Press B on your keyboard, adjust the brush size and hardness, hold Alt, and click on the surrounding canvas color. Brush over the missing parts to create a new background. Next, unhide and select the top layer. Open the Edit menu and choose Puppet Warp. Add points to the joints that can bend. Then slowly reposition and bend the subject's body carefully to avoid odd editing results. Once satisfied, click the check mark to save the changes. Compare the before and after result, and finally save or export your edited image. Take your time while adjusting every point, because small movements usually create more natural results. If necessary, zoom in on the image to inspect details before completing the editing process and exporting the version.